Welcome to Best Choice. The best RC tracks is probably one of the most exciting ways to enjoy your RC vehicles. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a beginner, a well-designed track can significantly enhance your experience. In this video, we'll dive into the world of RC tracks, exploring different types, materials, and features to help you find the perfect track for your needs and budget, ensuring maximum fun and performance. Number 5. Mostop 4WD RC Army Truck. Get ready for an adrenaline rush. This RC truck offers high-speed action, allowing you to race and maneuver with precision. It's designed for an exciting and fast-paced experience. This tank offers full-scale synchronous control. You can move forward, backward, turn, and brake with ease. The controls are responsive, giving you complete command. With its 2.4G remote control, you get a long control distance. It also has good anti-jamming capabilities, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted experience. You can control it from up to 80 meters away. This RC truck is designed with protective features. It includes charging protection, low voltage protection, and high temperature protection. These features ensure the car's efficient and safe operation. It features a simulation dual-flow drive gearbox. It can rotate 360 degrees in place and handle various terrains. The front wheel adjusts track tightness automatically. Enjoy longer play sessions with the included 7.4V 1200 mAh battery. It provides ample power for extended fun. You can also find spare batteries for even more playtime. What we like. This RC tank offers high-speed racing, allowing you to experience the thrill of speed. It also boasts a long control distance, ensuring you can enjoy the fun from a distance. If you're looking for a durable and fast RC tank with advanced protection features, this is the one for you. What people say. It has proportional speed and steering, which is a must in an RC. It has suspension in the tracks to allow it to run smoothly over very rough surfaces. The crawler varies in speed if you adjust the trigger. Number 4. Tracer Racer's 2.4 GHz Speedway track set. Get ready to experience racing like never before. This set offers a thrilling, slotless, and cordless racing experience. It's designed for racers of all ages. Forget the hassle of slots and wires. This innovative design allows for free-form racing with loops, turns, and exciting crashes. It's all about the fun. These rechargeable cars utilize the latest 2.4 GHz technology for responsive control. You can pair the car with the remote and enjoy close proximity control from any angle. The set includes 2 track loops, for track corners, and a lane changer. It also comes with 2 cars with rechargeable batteries and a USB charging cable. The track setup measures approximately 3 feet deep x 6 feet wide. Perfect for beginners and advanced racers alike. The variable speed cars and adjustable track configurations let you control the course difficulty. It's recommended for ages 8 and up. What we like. This track set provides a unique slotless racing experience, offering freedom and flexibility in track design. With multi-speed control and a glow-in-the-dark track, it enhances the excitement. If you like dynamic racing with customizable tracks and thrilling features, you should consider this. What people say. The lights on the cars leave glowing lines on the track as they zoom across it. The cars are easy to charge up and last for quite a bit. Easy assembly, quality construction, cars are fast and stay on track. Number 3. GoolRC RC Tank Car 112 Scale. Introducing the GoolRC RC Tank Car. This amazing vehicle is designed for endless fun. It can go forward, backward, and turn with ease. This tank car can rotate a full 360 degrees. It handles land, sandy beaches, and grasslands with no problem. Your kids will have a blast with it. With the 2.4 GHz transmitter, you won't have to worry about radio interference. This car offers proportional control for a realistic driving experience. It features a simulation dual-flow drive gearbox and can climb slopes and cross grooves. The wading depth can reach 5 centimeters. It's built for adventure. It comes with a 7.4V 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, providing up to 20 minutes of playtime. The strong motor allows it to reach speeds up to 12 km/h. Get ready for a thrilling ride. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are always here to help. We are honored to serve you. What we like. This RC tank car features 360 degrees rotation, allowing for impressive maneuvers and exciting play. Its durable design ensures it can handle various terrains. If you want a versatile and long-lasting RC car that offers thrilling driving experiences, this is a great choice. What people say. The track is easy to assemble and disassemble. The track is very flexible and can be used on different surfaces. The track is durable and can withstand a lot of use. Number 2. Tracer Racers 2.4 GHz RC Speedway Track Set. Get ready to experience racing like never before. This set offers a new level of freedom with its innovative design. It's time to ditch the slots, wires, and plugs. This track set utilizes the latest technology for responsive control. You can enjoy multi-speed racing with loops, turns, and even crashes. It's fun for all ages. These rechargeable radio control cars provide the most responsive small-scale racing. Pair the car with the remote for complete control from any angle. You'll love the precision. The set includes a track loop, corners, a lane changer, and over 25 feet of glow-in-the-dark track. The track setup measures approximately 2.5 feet deep x 5 feet wide. Get ready for some exciting races. With variable speed cars and adjustable track configurations, you control the difficulty. It's perfect for beginners and advanced racers alike. This set is recommended for ages 8 and up. What we like. This track set provides a unique slotless racing experience, offering freedom and flexibility in track design. With multi-speed control and a glow-in-the-dark track, it enhances the excitement. If you like dynamic racing with customizable tracks and thrilling features, you should consider this. What people say. Cars have unbelievable good speed control. Super slow to super fast and everything in between. Cars stay on track when controlled correctly. Tracks are durable and go together just like Hot Wheel tracks. I even integrated some Hot Wheel tracks to expand. It works fine. Number 1. BIRANCO 3-in-1 RC Stunt Racer Building Kit. This amazing kit isn't just an RC track racer. It also lets you build a tumbler robot and a spin car. You can take it apart and build something new, offering multiple ways to play. Follow the instructions to build your own car or robot. It takes time, but the result is worth it. You'll be proud of the motorized, independently controlled tracks. It features a built-in rechargeable battery, much safer for kids. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of play on a full charge using the 2.4G remote control. This kit encourages imagination and teamwork. It showcases realistic movement, promoting hand-eye coordination and critical thinking in an engaging way. It's a great gift idea for kids aged 8 to 12. Give the gift of fun and learning for birthdays, holidays, or any special event. All 353 pieces are made of premium, safe ABS plastic. It's designed for kids aged 8 to 16. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This RC car is a 3-in-1 building set, offering multiple build options and extended play value. The easy assembly process makes it accessible for kids. If you are looking for a fun and educational toy that encourages creativity and STEM learning, it's a perfect choice. What people say. It's sturdy, works just like it should, and really encourages problem solving and creativity. The car itself comes with a rechargeable battery, but the remote requires AAA batteries. I love the fact that the car has tow motors. Each side of the car is controlled individually. You can turn the car right or left. Instructions were easy enough for my 8-year-old to understand, and they built it without any supervision. The remote worked well to control the vehicle, and everything was moderately easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.